Again, so guys, in this video we will see how to create a virtual warehouse in the Snowflake. So guys, for creating the virtual warehouse, first of all, accessing the Snowflake and navigating to the warehouses. So you log in your Snowflake account using the Snowit and log in with the admin menu in the left navigation panel. Then click the option of warehouses to open the warehouses management interface. Observe any existing warehouse currently in your account. Okay, then initiate a new warehouse creation. So click the option of plus warehouse button on the top right of the page and create a new warehouse dialog box will appear. Provide a unique and descriptive name for your new warehouse and choose the standard type for the general purpose of workload. Okay, then configure your warehouse properties. So select an appropriate warehouse size, set the auto spend limit to save credits, and configure the auto resume to automatically restart when needed. Optionally added a meaningful comment, describe its primary purpose, and review all the chosen setting carefully before proceeding to creation. Then guys, finalize your warehouse creation and monitoring. So click the option of create warehouse button for finalizing your step, and the new warehouse will now appear in your warehouse list, and verify its status, show and started or the suspended. Monitor its credit use and performance in the activity section. And guys, best practice for the virtual warehouse: size appropriately, start the small scale up only as a necessary. Enable auto suspended, always use the auto suspended to manage the compute cost. Dedicate workload, use the separate warehouses for the distinct team or the tasks. Monitor regularly, check credit consumption and the query performance. Also grant a warehouse uses permission carefully to the users. So this is the way that you can create a virtual warehouses in your Snowflake. So guys, thank you.